What's up, everyone? Back out in the garage today, working on the 250. Got a few things to do to it today. I just wanted to, I don't know why I wanted to do it. I saw a sale, and actually the sale didn't turn out to be what it was, but I went and found some other plastics for it. So on this side, you can tell there's a crack here held together with some duct tape, and graphics on that side aren't that great, and this side not so good either. And I was going to try to look for just one, but I just ended up buying two brand new ones. And I was trying to look for some OEM graphics for it, and amazingly I found them. They're reproduction, so we'll see what a bike looks like with them on. Here's a picture of them, and do a quick time lapse with me putting the graphics on. I just didn't put any soapy water on it and squeegee it out. I just cut a center section of the graphics off and started in the center and just carefully worked my way. You'll see it in the time lapse, and but everything came out really nice. There's no air bubbles in it, and I'm kind of happy with it. So we'll see what happens. I'll set the camera down and get to installing.
I can't do nothing with you.
We rolling. $10mm. I should have guessed it. As you can see, there's no bolt here. This needs fixed. I'll worry about that later this summer, but there's one. Yeah. Alrighty, that's one down. Let's do the other side. Going bye-bye. All right, the finished product, new graphics, new plastic graphics. It's not cracked, got a new bolt in there. I needed something with a little bit longer thread. I found one. Another thing I'd like to do is clean the carburetor out again. It was pretty nasty last year, and I just bought new jets. I just threw away the old ones. It wasn't worth it. And then the other thing I like to do is that throttle cable needs some love. I gotta probably just get another one and some pieces and parts that go with it. But other than that, the bike runs. I should have done a startup video, but I've only been around the yard on it once or twice. I haven't done much riding. The weather hasn't been that great. But other than that, that's it. So until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.